my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some biscotti. So biscotti is an Italian biscuit, and I'm going to be making mine with white chocolate and dried cranberries. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. In a bowl, cream together half a cup of butter and 1 cup of sugar. Then add 4 eggs, one at a time. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. In a bowl with 3 cups of flour, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Add the flour mixture in 2 batches to the wet mixture. Mix until well combined. Add 3/4 cup dried cranberries and 3/4 cup chopped up white chocolate into the mixture and mix until it's well combined. Place on a baking sheet and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Allow it to cool slightly, then cut into strips. Bake one side for 16 minutes, then flip the slices over and bake again for 16 minutes.